Okay, welcome back to BPV Outdoors. Today we are on Lake Vermilion. It is a overcast day today, but we're catching a lot of walleyes here today. We are actually on a family camping trip up here, so we're camping out at the state park here and fishing here today. But today I want to show you a little bit of setup that we use here, particularly fishing rods and our electronics back here. Here we have our live scope here. It's rigged right here so that everything's at our fingertip. This is where we drop the live scope down. This is the I can swivel this back and forth and do all my settings. So it's at my fingertip here, and we drop this down. How this works is I kind of rig this so that I can rotate it 360 like that. And when I'm ready to go, I can just set this down here, tighten these, and then turn this transmission off so that nothing's being transmitted while I'm en route to the next spot here. So this is my setup here, and my trolling motor is rigged with the Velcro on the back, the remote, so I can just pop it right here, just like that, and I wouldn't have to touch it. So, you know, if you like a setup like this, this is something you can do. My boat is only a 17-foot boat, so we mainly fish 3 people here, but with my other son, maybe 4. After that, it gets a little crowded, but we manage with 4 people in here. And over here, we have our Hummingbird, which is the nuts and bolts of everything here for us to find fish. We got down, side scan, and all that good stuff here. And then here we got our Lowrance, which is basically just for getting info from our motor, and we mount our GoPro up here as well. And but today I'm going to show you some of the rods and reels that we use here. These are more of the expensive ones, but this is a Shimano Stratex CI 2500 reel with, you know, braided line. This is a G Loomis GLX 7-foot 1, and it's a medium extra fast, and this is for mainly swim bait, doing snap jigging. It's excellent for it. 7-foot 1, so very nice rod. And this is another G Loomis. It's a walleye GLX. It is a 7-foot 1 medium light with a Shimano Stratex CI 4, and it is a beautiful rod indeed. To get into some of the budget rods, you don't have to have these expensive rods to fit. This is a St. Croix 6-foot medium power fast action rod with a Daiwa Fugo reel, and this is just a fluorescent 8-pound line that I put on. I use this rod mainly for vertical jigging. It's great for that. I can sit here and just vertical jig with the live scope. It's excellent for that. And these are budget rods. They don't have to be very expensive to fish. Another one that I use for vertical jigging, or this is just with swim baits. This is another St. Croix rod. It's a 6.6. I use this for snap jigging and things like that. Again, this is with the Daiwa Fugo reel with the fluorescent mono line. And I like these rods because they're budget friendly. They're not very expensive. The reels are not very expensive compared to something like this. You know, this will run you in about $600-700 setup, but this is like a $200 setup right here, and they do the work just fine. It's just how you like it. So, and it's great. So thanks for watching. If you like our videos, please comment and share and like, thumbs up, and that will help us make more content. BPV out.